Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this gorgeous 2021 GMC Yukon XL AT4 SUV that is factory certified. This Yukon has the AT4 Premium Plus Package, the Max Trailer Package, and Premium Capability Package with active response 4-wheel drive, air ride adaptive suspension, power and heated door mirrors, power running boards, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, and HD surround vision camera system. Inside of this Yukon is beautiful. We have comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated and power front seats, wireless charging pad, dual panoramic sunroof, rear media system, and push to start technology. The 10.2-inch heads-up display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2021 GMC Yukon has less than 16,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.